Video 15. How to create axis in Allplan. In this video, I will show you how to create axis in Allplan. Select the command on the toolbar. Select the path to create axis. Draw circles to create axis. Adjust the displayed strokes. Enter offset value. Adjust the display after offset. Start creating axis names as on the screen. Create more strokes for the axis, depending on whether the project needs to be shown or not. View the operations performed on the display screen. View the operations performed on the screen. Move the created object for the axis to the right position. Perform horizontal axis for horizontal location. Complete horizontal axis creation. Next, do the same for the vertical. View the operations performed on the display screen. Copy the axis horizontally and rotate to create axis for the vertical. Move to the right position. Complete creating horizontal and vertical axis for the ground, according to the horizontal axis created from Y1 to Y4. The vertical axis is created from X1 to X4. I invite you to watch the next video as a guide on how to dimension the overall dimension.